There's only one sensible place to spend the longest day of the year, the summer solstice, and that's out fishing. So at first light, I was off over to Bodiam to check out the River Rother. It's said that the sun shines on the righteous, and I was hoping that would be the case today. It's not particularly wide, the river just here, but the flow's quite strong, and I was fishing lumps of prawn, which this little micro jack found hard to resist as I retrieved, and turned out to be my first fish of the day. But I know there's quite a few chub in the stretch, so I persevered, and eventually one came along that put up a magnificent fight that belied its size really. Probably about average for this stretch. They don't go particularly big, but I think there are a few monsters in here if you can find them. But it was a good start to the day, and a good way to mark the start of summer. And after that, real life got in the way for the rest of the day. But I thought I'd bookend the day with a visit to a small forgotten farm pond in the evening. It's not particularly big. It doesn't contain that many fish. The setup was exactly the same. I just swapped the prawn for corn, which is another bait I use a lot of. But I'd say there's not many fish in here, but the fish have a lineage second to none. And they don't often get fished for, but they're surprisingly tricky despite that. Don't get many chances. And as I say, they have a very grand lineage, these fish. They are a completely unadulterated strain of Leneys, the strain of carp that kicked off all the excitement all those years again back at Redmire. Few and far between now. And with that, it was off home for tea, and just in time to see the sunset on the longest day.